Hi everyone, welcome back. Another week, another makeup tutorial. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe down below. Like, comment, share. I really appreciate it all. Today we are gonna do a natural eye makeup look. I will be using the Morphe 35XO Natural Flirt palette. These are the shades. So yeah, let's get right into it. I like to start off with doing my eye makeup first and then going into my face makeup just because of the fallout. You could easily wipe out fallout, but if you already have your makeup on and then there is fallout, it's a little bit harder to clean it up, but it's all in your preference. You can do your makeup however you want. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows now. Next step that I'm gonna do is I'm going to carve out underneath my eyebrows. I am also going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer onto my eyelid. I'm gonna prep it with powder, and then we're gonna go in with eyeshadows. And now I'm gonna set it with the Huda Beauty, what's it called? The Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and it is in Pound Cake. This one is my favorite. It has lasted me so long. I don't know, I think I've had it for like almost a year now, and I'm like a little less than half, but this has lasted me a long time. Oops. After I go in with the concealer and I am patting it in, I go in with the a sponge and I just like dab it just to give it like an even look. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with the other eye and we're gonna carve it and conceal the eyelid. So now we are going to start with our eyeshadow. I am going to go in with this brown shade right here, and it is in the shade Body Language. And I'm going to put it all over the lid. Okay, so now that the first shade is done, I applied it all over my lids. I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, and it is gonna be in this shade right here, and the shade is called Charmer. And I'm gonna go in the outer corner of my eye with this darker shade. So outer corner, and just bringing it up just a tiny bit right here, almost making like a V shape at the corner of your eye. Next I'm going to diffuse it together just so there's no harsh lines or darker spots or lighter spots, and just so it all just looks nicely put together. So now that I put the darker shade on the inner corner of both of my eyes, I'm going to go in with the last shade that I use. It's a really simple, really easy look, beginner friendly. And I'm going to go in with this shimmery shade right here. And it is in the shade Across the Room. And again, I am going to I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue. It works amazing. If you want your you can use it with or without. If you want your glitter to pop a little bit more on this eye look, I recommend using this just because it's amazing. It accentuates the glitter and it just makes your eyes pop a little more. Okay, and for this part I do use my finger. I feel like it works better than a brush, so I'll just go. My other finger, I am going to put the shimmer. Just like so. Okay. Now with the first brush that I used for the first color, I'm gonna go in and remove any harsh glitter lines. And now I'm going to do it with the other eye. Now that that is done, I'm going to go in with just a small thin line of eyeliner. I'm not going to wing it out, just so that when I put on the lashes, it makes it look that much more seamless. So I am going to go in with this eyeliner. I got it in my BoxyCharm subscription box, and it is in, I'm not sure, I don't remember the name, but it's Qveen Studios Cosmetics, I think, and it's actually one of my favorites now. So now we are going to curl our lashes. I used to not curl my eyelashes when I started doing my makeup just because I felt like I didn't need it, but when I started doing it, I never went back to not curling my eyelashes. Just because it really does give you that extra curl, that extra hold, and especially if you're going to use fake eyelashes, it makes your natural eyelashes and the fake eyelashes really just seam together. The mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, Lash Sensational Sky High mascara. Of course, it's another TikTok made me buy, and yeah, it's another one of my favorite mascaras. I am going to go in with some lashes, and I am going to be using Ariabella Lashes again, and these are in the style Joker. Okay, so I had to step away for a second because I did get an email that I got a package. So I did want to get a Juno Co sponge for a while because I've heard a lot of good things that it doesn't absorb your foundations as much as like other brands do. And when I had seen this particular one, I had to buy it. They collaborated with Spongebob, so if you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with Spongebob. I always have been. I love Spongebob. It's my favorite cartoon of all time. Just look at it. Let me take it out of the box. This is so cute. Okay, so this is Patrick and Spongebob, smaller little sponges, and it comes with Bikini Bottom bubbles. I think it's to clean the sponges, but oh my god, look at how cute look at how cute they are. Like, I don't even want to use them, but I am. But oh my god, this is so cute. So now that we have done our eyes, we are going to prime our face, put foundation, and everything else. So we're gonna prime our face with the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. Okay, my review on the sponge, 11 out of 10. Like, it is so good. I haven't tried a sponge like this. I mean, the one that comes close is the Beauty Blender. I love that one. That one's a 10 out of 10. That one's my favorite. But this one, just as good. Okay, so the next step is putting powder all over my face. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to contour, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Okay, so next up is gonna be blush. I'm gonna be using the NARS Orgasm Blush. Okay, so now last step, I am going to line my lips, and I'm gonna use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Soft Spoken. And we are going to be using the Huda Beauty lipstick in Anniversary. And this is the final look. Alright everybody, that concludes my second tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please, in the comments, let me know what content you'd like to see. Alright guys, see you guys next time.